Do it yourself guys and YouTubers. What I'm gonna show you today is I found on Amazon a screaming deal on this remote controlled searchlight for your truck or your boat or other vehicles, and it has some powerful LEDs in there, 60 watts, and it was only $122. The only disadvantage from this searchlight is the magnetic socket. The magnet that was in there, and I already took it out because I didn't know that I decided I'm gonna make this YouTube video about it. Barely has any magnetic strength. As you can see, there's no magnetism to it, or slightly no magnetism to it at all. If you want a good searchlight that really stays on your vehicle or your boat or wherever you are going to mount it, the good ones start somewhere around $600 up to all the way to $900, and for $122 and just the issue of the magnetic socket, I found myself also on Amazon a neodymium magnet, as you can see here, and this magnet has a force of 155 pounds, so it really will hold your searchlight in place even with higher speeds, and you will have no problem with that. The only thing, when you start working with magnets like that, be very careful. Just imagine that you have a metallic surface you're working on. The magnet will stick to it with a force of 155 pounds. If your fingers are in between, it will cause serious injuries. So make sure you work far away from any metallic surface. And also be very careful with your tools you're going to use. To secure the magnet, it comes normally secured between two wooden plates and in a thick bubble wrap, also to ensure that during transport it doesn't get stuck somewhere on a metallic surface. So once you start working on that, make sure metallic objects and surfaces are far away from each. And the way how I got it out was a little bit tricky, the old one. As you can see, I broke the bottom a little bit up, but you have to use brutal force on it. The glue, I tried to heat up the glue first, didn't really work out, but I can fix this little hole in there very easily with some silicone. And to glue it in, I just used some industrial strength quick weld from Home Depot. It took about 6 minutes for that one to dry and hold it in place, but to harden out it takes about another 24 hours. So once you start working on it, again, make sure to keep it away from metals. And the other thing is, it's a very easy fix for a very good $120 searchlight and a magnet for $35 on Amazon to get this fixed. We will find all the links to the searchlight and also to the magnet on this post. And I hope you enjoyed watching that, and I hope you can fix your searchlight up. Well, happy beaming.